Hello, everyone. Yes, I welcome you to another edition of Purpose Impact platform. Many times we complain about not having enough to be able to do enough in carrying out our assignment for the kingdom, which is the very reason why we are existing, which is the very reason why we live. We complain that enough is not available, that we don't have enough resources, we don't have enough time, we don't have enough knowledge, we don't have enough ability, we don't have enough people. We all often complain about not having enough. And the truth is that enough is a relative terms. What you actually have is enough to do what God wants you to do right now. If you cannot feed 5,000 people like Jesus did, you can feed one person and then feed two people and then feed three people until your capacity develops to be able to handle 5,000 people. Our problem, one of our problems is that we don't look inwards enough. We don't check around us enough like Jesus did. Jesus checked around and he was able to discover the guy that had 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes, among the people with him. One thing is that among the people in our team, there are people who have enormous resources that we have not tapped into, enormous expertise, enormous skill that we have not tapped into. And most of the time, we look outside, we don't look within us to be able to discover these resources that will be sufficient for the assignment we have part time. So, I am encouraging us today to instead of complaining of not having enough, let us do what we have is enough to do. I say it again. If you think you don't have enough to do what you desire to do what is enough for what you already have, at hand. If you cannot feed 5,000 people now, oh, good, you desire to feed 5,000 people is a wonderful desire, is a godly desire, is an holy desire. Good. But if you cannot feed 5,000 today, try and feed one person that what you have is enough to feed. And God will bless you and reward you for that. Then you move forward to do more for the glory of God. Let's not wait until we have enough to feed the whole nation before we start carrying out our godly assignments. That which you have is enough to touch the life of that one person. The ability you have is enough to touch the life of those two people. Some of us think we cannot speak well. What you can speak now is enough to communicate with the people that God sent you to. The gesture you can make now is enough to express yourself to the people that God sent you to. The wisdom you have now is enough to comprehend and understand the people that God sent you to. The only thing is for you to arise and start doing something. That is what purpose is all about. That is what assignment of the divine is all about. And that is why our life will count at the end of the day when we eventually finish our work. May God bless you as you keep doing what you are meant to do.